In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view revision history in Google Slides. This is a great way to keep track of changes and updates, especially if you're collaborating with others on a presentation. By the end of this video, you'll be able to see the different versions of your slides and understand who made specific changes. Let's get started by heading over to Google Slides. You'll want to open your web browser and type in Google Slides to find it quickly. Once there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is crucial because Google Slides needs to be linked to your account to access and save your presentations. If you're not signed in, enter your credentials and log into your account. From here, you'll be taken to the Google Slides homepage where you can see the list of your documents and some options to create new ones. Now you're ready to start working with your slides. So you can either click on blank presentation for a fresh slate, or select from the templates provided if you want a pre-made design. For this tutorial, I'll assume you already have a document you're specifically looking to check the revision history of, so go ahead and open that presentation. Once your presentation is open, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on File to begin this process. Hover over this menu and a drop-down list will appear. Within this list, you should select Version History. This option is like a treasure trove, especially if you want to track back to specific changes made within your presentation. It's very handy when you've made a change that maybe isn't sitting right, or if you want to see who made what change, especially in collaborative projects. After selecting version history, you'll see an option to see version history. Click on this, and what you'll find is a detailed list of all the saved changes of your document. Here's where the magic happens. Each of these versions is timestamped and usually includes the name of the person making edits, which is useful for accountability and understanding how your document evolved. Navigating through these versions, you'll see that you can click on each one to view and potentially revert to it. This feature provides a great safety net because if you ever need to go back to a previous version, Google Slides keeps it ready for you. Feel free to explore these options and understand how the document has changed over time, and that's essentially it. You've successfully learned how to access and navigate the revision history in Google Slides. This tool ensures that you're always in control of your document and can easily recover any previous version in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your Google Slides experience.